Number 2, choose a background photo. Now, I always tell people that your background photo is one of the most important things, and people do not use that photo enough. So, for example, if you look at any of my pictures, like look at my LinkedIn picture right now, you'll see that there's a photo of me and my face. And then on the top here, there's a little free real estate that actually exists there. Some people can actually use that space for so many different things. Make sure that you choose a photo. You could actually choose or check with your marketing department first before you actually do this, and get a picture of whether it's a logo or anything of the company that you work for, and just put it out there. Or you can just leave whatever message that you've got there, but make sure that you actually use that real estate, because then it also always makes your LinkedIn profile a bit more professional. It looks a lot more professional than if it's just a blank gray space that nobody's actually used. So please use that space quite well.